I've been inspired by the Works in multiple different ways. First, I started as a 3D printing engineer. I'd bring my printer here for all these different types of events. She Engineers definitely being my favorite. And then just really show kids the possibilities of things that they could do. I never think it's too early for kids to start seeing themselves in STEM. For these younger students, it's so important for them to get hands-on, engage, have experiences, and also see other people who look like themselves that are already in the field. So what I love about the Works is it creates a safe place for kids to try new things, to fail and kind of learn from that, to be challenged, to see other people like themselves. My hopes for the future is to see more people like me. When I was in college, I was the only girl in my class, the only student of color in my class, and now already in the last 10 years, I've started to see some change, but I still think there's more room to grow. And that's why places like the Works, it's so important to have a space, again, for those kids to come in here, to try things and see other people like themselves in the field.